World Digital, scaling oneself. World Digital.
Hello, great minds. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital, scaling oneself. It's a premium platform where digital skills are being uploaded, and we teach you how you can transform your smartphone or your laptop or a machine into a money-making machine. So we were in the process of showing you how you can access various applications of Microsoft Word
Office.
just with keywords in the command prompt or in the run prompt without passing through the icon like a professional. So now, one of our last program that we will show you how you can launch it is Publisher. So Publisher is for publications. We use for making birthday cards, wedding cards, calendars, what have you. So if you access your machine, you don't see the icon of Publisher, what do? In our previous tutorial, I've shown you how you can access, launch Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, access PowerPoint. I'm going to as well place those links in the descriptive part of this tutorial. So now today I'm going to show you how you can launch Publisher from the command prompt. Do you have an idea? Before I kickstart, I would like you to keep your comments and give me the syntax that I'm going to use. Okay, so let's dive straight. We'll press the Windows key plus arrow, and now here I'm getting somebody saying that I have to type Publisher like this. Okay, let's see what it gives. Oh, that's a fatal error. Woohoo! You've made a big mistake. That's not it. Let me give you the correct syntax. So let's dive straight away. But before I proceed, I would like you to obviously keep a comment, like this tutorial in order to increase the algorithm, to enhance the algorithm of my YouTube channel, and share as well my tutorials to the nooks and crannies of the world. So I'm going to dive straight away to give you the correct syntax for you to access Microsoft Publisher on your machine. Okay, so you type mspub. Could you guess that? I've just leaked out the secret. And now you click on go, or you click on OK. Wow, so your Publisher application is being launched, and now here you can choose the dimension that you want. You can choose this blank, and you start inserting your text box and filling in the information that you want. So I would like you to keep a like, keep your comment, share, and don't forget to turn the notification bell in order to receive all our updates whenever we upload a new premium tutorial.